like a Polaroid line 차가운 촌스러운 그 감정.
Hi, I am Glowfully Rebellious from BEd 3B and welcome to my tutorial video. In today's tutorial video, we're going to talk about CANVA. But first, what is CANVA? It is a free graphic design platform that's great for making invitations, business cards, Instagram posts, and more. In my case, I use this for academic or educational purposes. Where can we download CANVA? It can be downloaded in App Store and Play Store. If you're a Huawei user like me, you can download it on GSpace. GSpace can be downloaded in your app gallery. Now, how can you download it in GSpace? You just have to click any of these applications that are not downloaded yet. When you click it, you will be redirected to the Play Store or the G Store. Since I clicked the Gmail app, it showed like this. It is making me download or install the Gmail app. But since we're here for CANVA app, all you have to do is search for the CANVA app. And it will be shown in the searches. Just click it. You can now download the CANVA app. Just like my other downloaded apps here, CANVA will also appear here as you download it. If you wish to have a shortcut it on your home screen, just click the Create Shortcut. And that way, you have your CANVA app in your phone. There's also another way to do it. Go to your browser and just search APK Pure. And this will show you. You just have to click the Download APK Free Online Downloader. You are now in APK Pure. Search CANVA and it will show you the result. And you just have to click the download. Now, let's get into CANVA. Click the app and let's get started. As you can see in the upper part, the blue one or the blue colored part, these are the options on what are you going to use the CANVA for. And in the white area, as you can see, there are so many options where you can use CANVA. You can use it for making posters, presentations, Instagram posts, photo collages, your stories, infographics, making or editing of videos, graphic organizers, flyers, phone wallpapers, logos, cards, graphs, brochures, Facebook posts, planners, and invitations. It's time to choose. I will have the making of presentations. Upon clicking the option, you get to choose which type of presentation are you going to have. And each type of presentations have various of templates or designs. So you can choose which you like. As for my choice, I will be using the presentation 16:9. So choose one. I have chosen the design classroom rules, which is the presentation is all about classroom rules. And as for your information, the CANVA auto-saves your design. So every time you make changes in your design, it will be automatically saved. So this is how the template or the design that I have chosen look like. Let's start with the first page. If you want to change the title, you may do so. You just have to drag it and you have to click it if you want to edit the name of it or the title. Let's have the second page. We can change the position of the background by just dragging it like that. Now let's try with the buttons that are there, down. First is the delete button. You just have to select what you want to delete and click the delete button. The duplicate button will give you a duplicate of the thing that you have selected, just like this. Now the color buttons. You can change the color of the background, which you prefer if you want to change it to any color that you want. For the animate button, it will have the animation for the something that you have selected. And for animation that have crowns can only be used if you have CANVA Pro. For the transparency button, it will help you adjust the transparency of what you have selected. For the position is to decide if it will be in backward or forward. The nudge button is like a drag controller. You don't have to drag the thing with your finger, but you will just use the nudge buttons. Let's have first the more button, where you can see have more options. For the select multiple, you can select different elements, and this can be grouped. So if you will drag them, they'll not separate from each other. Let's have the texts now. As you can see, they're unfamiliar. Just like the font that you can select fonts. There's also a font size button where you can adjust the size of the text. The color where you can change the color of the text. There's also a format button where the text can be bold, italic, underlined, or if you want everything to be capitalized, you can just select that one. If you want the text to be inside, in the middle, or on the other side, and if you want it to be in bullet form or numbering, you can do so. Spacing can also be edited just by clicking the spacing button, just like that. The effect button, where you can change the effect of the text. The animate button is for the transition of the text. The link button, where you can insert links. The lock button, where you can lock the text. And the more button, just like what we did a while ago, we can do it here too. Don't worry, because you can also edit the designs or change it into your choice by clicking the plus purple one, and this will appear into your Canva. You can change the template if you don't want the one that you have selected and you choose. You can also click the elements where you can change your design, or you want to add something like stickers into your presentation. You are also free to add pictures from your gallery and even videos. The uploads here will show you the pictures or the videos that you already have used before in your Canva designs. And of course, if you want to add text in your presentation, just click text. And there are also many designs in here. If you wish to change your background, you can select your design in here, and even just a plain color. Charts can be inserted in your presentation too, and more things that you want to insert in your presentation. There might be circumstances where you'll accidentally go back to the main menu. Don't worry, because your project is there. As Canva auto-saves your design, you can find it in your projects. If you're already done with your presentation and you wish it to be in your device, just click where I click and then go to Microsoft Office and click download. It will download your presentation and will be saved into your phone's files. You just have to go into your phone's files and go to Documents, select the latest presentation that you have, and there you go. This is one of the presentations that I already made using the Canva app. Canva helped me as a student, and I know it will help me in the future too. So I hope it will help you too. Of course, I hope I help you in figuring out how to use Canva.